Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error, connection lost with this error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here allow an app, you're going to click change settings on here, and then you're going to click allow another app, go into browse here, and then you need to look for the Minecraft exe. So go to your Minecraft exe here. I'm going to use another game as an example. So you'll go into Minecraft, click open, then click add on here. After that, you're going to find Minecraft in this list. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you tick both private and public check marks on Minecraft. Click OK then. And after that, you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections now. You're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. You're going to click on it. Click change settings of this connection. Go into Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, going to use the following DNS server addresses, write the preferred DNS server here, 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1, click OK as well, disable this network device, wait for 20 to 30 seconds, and after that, you're going to enable this network device, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now when you try to connect to any Minecraft server, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.